How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Oh, apparently we're getting pulled over or something.
Bullshit.
I don't know.
He flashed off. It's good. That would have been horrible.
Right? Oh, now we're getting pulled over.
Really?
What?
Yeah.
Are you kidding?
Why?
Like, we just got here.
That doesn't even make any sense.
That's your fault.
I
No,
guess.
I don't understand.
You're being one star.
Maybe I made
I'm just messing with
Stop.
you, man.
I don't even know. Maybe I made an illegal U-turn? I don't know.
don't think so.
I don't
know.
understand. I'm so confused.
Good stuff.
What the hell? I gotta fucking pee so bad.
Can I help you? What's going on?
What do you mean, what's going on? You stopped in an intersection to pick people up. You can't even stop on the curb to do it. And you just stopped in an intersection to pick people up. So if there's somebody driving there other than me that's driving like an idiot like most people do out here, then your passengers are getting hurt. Who do you work for?
Uber?
Get your license out.
Okay.
Use your head, man.
Okay.
You have your registration insurance on you?
Yes. My insurance is online. Can I show you the picture?
Keep looking for your stuff. I'll be right back.
Good grief.
That's not bad.
Who's ever heard of not being able to pick up passengers from the side of the road?
What is the issue, man?
Oh, I know.
Welcome to fucking Florida. Whoa. I'll still sub you, brother. No worries.
I appreciate it. Man, who even knows?
What a
Like,
dick.
There's another cop.
he does realize,
There's
right, that he's making more than inconvenience
Right.
having you pull over right here
Yeah.
than you were just
Dude, they're
people
bored.
But there's
They're
another
bored.
cop next
He's
to him. They're
bored.
blocking the whole road.
Yeah, he's bored.
Yeah.
Right.
There's
you
literally nobody
blocked
around.
Zero traffic, and now they're blocking the entire fucking street
Yeah.
for no reason.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
There wasn't even any traffic or anything.
No, there wasn't at all.
Yeah.
Like, if you're impeding traffic, then cool.
Right. Yeah.
But you weren't.
Like, how else am I supposed to pick up
Oh,
passengers?
there he goes. He's out.
It's fucking ridiculous.
Yeah. Like, how else am I supposed to pick up passengers? Like, meet you inside the little valet thing?
Right. Pull in the fucking parking garage.
Right, yeah.
It isn't there. It doesn't exist.
Exactly. Yeah, that's not happening. Whatever. Honestly, I think it would be fantastic if he did give me some sort of, like, ticket or something, because I could take it to my attorney and he'd probably laugh him out of the building.
Probably.
Yeah,
He
yeah.
probably wouldn't even show up for the ticket because
Exactly.
he knows how stupid it is.
Yeah. Yeah, no, my attorney would probably do it for free. Just because of how ridiculous it is.
I would do it anyway. I've had a cop literally write me a stupid ticket, and I went to court and they didn't even show up because they knew how dumb it was and it got written off.
Yeah. There's actually no laws against picking anyone up from the side of the road at all. I mean, like, what is it? Impeding flow? Okay.
Less so than he's doing right now.
Exactly.
More or less, I should take a hand for my taxes.
Which, by the way, he now has you pulled over at a red light, which is
Right.
actually
Yeah,
even
in the
more-
middle. Yeah, in the middle of an intersection. Yeah, it's not like I could have even pulled over. You
Right.
know.
Unbelievable.
He's actually impeding my drunkenness. I'm kidding.
Stop.
I'm kidding.
I have the picture of the insurance right here.
All right, in the last 4 years, you've had 6 tickets, all guilty. You had 3 last year, and you're about to go through 2018 and get one now. Okay? Understand, if you've been out here before, people are getting hit all the time, pedestrians, everything, by cars.
I had no
This all
idea.
week. How long you been driving?
Well, this is my first weekend
Okay.
on this beach.
If you pull to any side of the road to pick people up other than a parking lot, or you stop at an intersection to it, you're putting their lives at risk.
Okay.
I'm going to cite you every time.
Okay, so I have to have them go to a parking lot.
Have them meet you in a
Okay,
parking
that's
lot.
no big deal.
There's like 5 around here.
Yeah, that's no big deal.
You understand?
I understand.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Yep.
Oh, God.
What a load of horse shit. Okay, here we go.
Unbelievable.
Oh
I'm
my
sorry.
gosh.
Jesus
That is
Christ.
ridiculous. Never in my life. I like how he really just wanted to cite my history for
Right.
me. Like, thanks, guy, you know? And he's like, and they're guilty. Yeah, apparently he can't see the court docket where all of the tickets were dropped, but okay,
It
you
doesn't
know.
matter. Anytime you've been to court, you know you're either guilty, or if you say you're not guilty, you have to go back to court another time and try and deal with more bullshit.
You want to know what's really funny, though?
It's ridiculous.
He obviously didn't see the front of my car because the tag on the front of my car says not guilty. I'm not even kidding. It's from the movie The Lincoln Lawyer.
Yeah.
And I was like, I have to have that tag. Yeah, I was like, I have to have that tag. Oh, I know. Anyway. Well, that was excitement.
Yeah, it's all good, man. As long as they get home safe, I'm good to go.
And it's so funny, too, because literally all night I've been picking people up at the side of the road with cops passing by. Like, no big deal.
You know what, man? It's just that road.
Right.
And it just takes
really
one
is
asshole.
Just that road.
That's ridiculous.
That road is nasty.
Yeah.
And to be honest, it's that road.
Yeah. Oh, well. Yeah, there's nothing he could have really cited me for except maybe impeding flow, and even that.
No flow.
That's such a throwaway ticket, it's not even funny.
Like we said, he was impeding more traffic.
Exactly.